Again. Uh, Remember how I said that I can replace those two decals? Well, what I'm doing right now with the X-Acto blade is I am carving those decals out carefully along the panel lines so that I can do exactly that. Get rid of them. Now, right here is where I had to paint it. But if you just carefully do that, carefully do this along the RCS thruster, carefully, without scoring through the plastic, go like that, go like this, there, and you see these red parts? They're pretty well aligned on every other decal I put on except those two. So even for that reason alone, I would have been removing them. Okay, so that should be that. Now we're going to just take the toothpick and start carefully peeling. Just like that, yes. And you have the empty container. So you only peel along that line and you just, I wonder if you can use the Q-tip. I just wonder. Oh, that's even better, and then you won't risk damaging anything. Of course, that was the wrong decal. Sorry about that. This one. Oops. That's okay. That's what HDA Model Works is for. Yeah, okay. Here we go then. There we go. Getting there. Slowly. Yeah, don't take off the wrong decal now. Of course, some of these decals are on there so much that you're not going to get them off. That is distressing. Oh, well, you can. It's kind of like bubble gum. It's coming off slowly. Yeah, and it's not wrecking the hull. That is the important part. It is not wrecking the hull. And don't forget that you can paint whatever part of the decal is missing, you can paint it too. Might as well just make a clean break right there. Okay, it's working, Good. That's brilliant, And then you just sweep it all away like that. Perfect. And it doesn't damage the underlying hull. That's brilliant. Of course, it would have been even better if you could peel it up along its own panel line, which you're beginning to do by doing this. Hope you're able to see this. Let's hope you're able to see this. So it's just these two. There you go. See? That's it. Just like that. I once had to do this on the NX01 refit, so I remembered what to do. And you just peel it back. I kind of did this on the NX, the TOS as well, with paint. Yeah, there you go. See? So you're peeling back both of these decals, and you're going to end up replacing them with proper decals. So you know what? I might as well just do the whole thing here and let you watch. I mean, this is how you safely remove a decal to replace it. Look at this. The HDA ModelWorks decal is coming off all in one piece. Now, you can save it. You never know. You might want to use it again for some reason. Then you go, okay, X-Acto blade again. Because I don't think I got complete cutting ability. So we're going to go this way again, right along the panel line, right there. That should do it. So then you take the toothpick and you go along here and you go there. Right along the cut panel line. It doesn't interfere with the other decal. And that's only a fragment of it, so that doesn't get stuck around. You do this. You do this. There you go. There you are. Good. See? Where's that Q-tip again? Most of the decal is off now. See? Excellent. There you go. Without disturbing the one beside it. So now you go after this one. So let's reinforce that cutting pattern again. Along here. Along there. Along there. Along every grid line. Why not? Every single one. Cut it into this. Well, that came off all in one piece, so that was easy. There you go. Down. Down. Along there. Good. This is wonderful. And it's not damaging the underlying metal. I mean, underlying hull, because the only place you're peeling it, you're cutting, is in the panel lines. And it's just carefully flaking off. Perfect. And there's a bit that's being a bit stubborn, but you just do this. And you do that. Oh, I'm still on camera here, aren't I? Right? There you go. There you go. Now this is, I guess, an almost 9-minute video on how to safely remove a decal. Don't worry, I have a replacement decal. Wouldn't be doing this unless I did. I have 2 spares, and they're going to be used to get everything off here. And this is despite the microsol that kind of tried to embed the decal directly into the hull. But thanks to the toothpick, you're flaking a decal away, so you can replace it with a much more stable substitute. Run the toothpick along the panel line. Every single panel line. And that should enable you to get rid of the decal without damaging anything. Well, yes, I got some over me. But the point is, it's working. And I bet if you moisten it, you can get even more off. Now, there will still be some remnants.